The coronavirus pandemic doesn't seem to be saying goodbye anytime soon, is it? But countries are doing their best to balance between taking safety precautions and emphasizing the new normal. Masks, gloves, shields, sanitizers, and social distancing are the new rules we have to follow. Traveling during the COVID 19 is not going to be easy. You have to triple check everything just to be sure. You can forget carrying your favorite book or a makeup kit, but you can't forget carrying a mask and a sanitizer. Yep, that's how things are going to be for a while. Does that mean we don't step out of the house at all? It's appealing to some, right? But what can we say? You can't avoid traveling, especially if your job demands it or if there is an emergency arises. Also, who doesn't want to go away to another place for at least a while? We understand your feeling right now, so we have a few ways to assist you. Take a look at the safety tips and tricks to follow when traveling during the pandemic and start planning for your first outing after being holed up at home for months. Did you make a list? It doesn't matter if you are an impulsive traveler. This time you have to sit down and make that list. Include all essentials you will need to carry with you in the handbag. You can make another list of the things you need for the trip, but these are a must. First, face mask, apart from the ones you should wear. Second, a hand sanitizer with more than 60% alcohol content. Third, a bunch of disinfectant wipes and tissues. Number 4, disposable gloves. Number 5, sunglasses to protect your eyes. Airports are being cleaned round the clock, and flights have been declared as low transmission zones for the virus. Plastic shields and barricades are being used to minimize the risk of spreading the virus. Yet, you have got to be fully prepared from your side, right? Have you researched the place? If you are traveling to another location, search for the latest information about the place. It doesn't matter if you have been there 100 times before COVID 19 entered the picture. What are the current local conditions? The number of COVID cases being reported each day? What restrictions are being enforced by local authorities? Do you need to go to the quarantine home? Find out every teeny detail. Wear clothes that cover your whole body. It might seem uncomfortable, but wear tops with full sleeves and full length pants. This will minimize the direct contact of your skin with the seat, window, trays, and other stuff you invariably touch. Get a scarf and drape it around your neck and shoulders. You don't have to cover your nose with the scarf and mask. Use one, preferably a good quality mask, but the scarf will act as additional protection when you need it. Don't forget to change your clothes immediately after reaching your destination. It can be a hotel room or a friend's home. Take a good bath and wash the clothes with disinfectant before wearing them again. Let the clothes dry in the sunlight if possible. Oh, don't touch anything, stay away. We aren't being dramatic, Whether it is escalators, vending machines, check in machines, or even humans, stay away. Try not to touch any of the common surfaces that are likely to carry most germs. Remember when you used to rest your elbows on the counter or tap on a glass window? Don't do that. Follow the minimum distance rule and skirt around other humans. Wipe, clean, and use loads of tissues. Nope, we aren't kidding. Take out the disinfectant wipes and clean the handles of your seat. If you have got a window seat, choose it over other options. Wipe the window area, throw away the wipes, wash your hands, and then sit down. Don't use the magazines from outside, and don't share your belongings with others. What if you have to go to the washroom? Take out the tissue again. Use that tissue to open the door. Turn on and turn off the tap and close the door. Finish off with a good rub of sanitizer on your hands. You can't be too careful in these times. Say no to outside water. Don't take water from glasses or order beverages such as tea and coffee, as at times they are made with water from the tap and not from the bottle. Make sure you wipe the bottle and the cap before drinking water from it. Again, say no to share your water bottle with others. At times such as this, sharing is not caring. Last but not least, if you're staying at a hotel, follow tip number 2 and inquire about the safety precautions they take. Carry your set of blankets if possible. Try doing things on your own than choosing maid services. Finally, be alert. Toss away disposable masks, wash away hands, and don't touch your face. So, if you need to travel during this coronavirus pandemic, then try to follow these safety tips and stay safe and healthy. We will be coming up with a new video soon on the channel. Until then, stay beautiful, stay healthy.